to remove this factory 2016 Chevy Silverado, little tiny 4-inch screen, and we're going to put a double dent in here, a Sony Xav200. There we go. Once you can get one panel up, it should be alright. Bottom ones are no joke. Last one is just gonna pin it. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we gotta get this clip back out. Alright, we're gonna set that there. I don't think I can do it. I have to take it all out to get that out. Then we're gonna take 7mm, and we've got to remove all these. One here. Here, 4 here. Supposedly this thing will come out. There we go. Unclip. There we go. And this piece right here, got one clip here. Clip down here for the HVAC system. Not a clip, I'm sorry, a plug. Okay. And we got one right here. It's almost like this is a display panel. So there's your 1, 2, 3 plugs on the back side of this panel. That's how thin it is. And then there's your 1, 2, 3 plugs that we had to unplug. It says we have to remove this top part up here. Takes a 40 EU10, not the 40 EU55 it calls for, and I'll show you what it looks like installed. New video update. This plug and this video cable is supposed to be for behind here. In this particular one, since it has the little tiny 4-inch screen, which is called the IO3 model, this does not work on it. I just found this information out. So to let you guys know, if you have a 4-inch screen, you cannot use this. I also just found out that no one makes a harness for it, and I'm guessing it's this one right here or this one right here, or this is actually USB, so it has to be this. Nobody makes anything compatible. Even Metra, all of them say that it will work. I just went and bought the harnesses. None of them will work. They will not plug in. So just want to give you guys a little update. None of that stuff will work for the rear view camera. I'm going to figure out a way to make it work, but I just want to let you guys know, none of this stuff I bought from Metra will work with this particular vehicle because it's the 4-inch IO3 screen. Just an update on that. 2015 Chevy Silverado. I did a flush mounted USB there. Sony Xav200.